Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court reopens today with free Wi-Fi. Supreme Court stays proceedings in UP court against Somnath Bharti for his derogatory remarks about UP schools and hospitals. Delhi High Court dismisses plea challenging RBI's decision to withdraw Rs 2,000 currency notes. Chargesheet against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh to be considered on July 7th by Delhi Court. Delhi High Court rejects PIL seeking willingness of complainants to undergo scientific tests. Senior Advocate Pradeep Rai sends legal notice to media houses for false, malicious and defamatory articles against him. Demands Rs 20 crores in damages. Now let's take a detailed look at the headlines. The Supreme Court reopened today after the summer vacation since May 22nd, with free Wi-Fi facility made available for litigants, advocates and media persons. The facility can be availed at the Supreme Court premises by logging in to SCI_Wi-Fi. The user needs to enter his or her mobile number, and after receiving and entering the one-time password, free internet can be accessed. The move comes as a part of the e-initiatives at the top court and will be extended to all courtrooms and adjoining areas, Bar Library 1 and 2, Ladies Bar Room and Bar Lounge in a phased manner. The notification released by the top court provided. CJI D.Y. Chandrachud today said that the first 5 courtrooms in the Supreme Court have become Wi-Fi enabled and there will be no law books and papers in all courtrooms. The Supreme Court today stayed the proceedings pending before the Sultanpur Court in Uttar Pradesh against Aam Aadmi Party leader Somnath Bharti for his derogatory remarks on the condition of hospitals and schools in the state of UP. Bharti had moved the top court in the matter, seeking a transfer of the case from Uttar Pradesh to Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi. On April 10th, the top court had issued a notice to the Uttar Pradesh government, while imposing an interim stay on the proceedings after Bharti filed the plea seeking transfer of the case. Bharti claims the 2 cases against him, filed in Rai Bareli and Amethi, are filed due to political vengeance. A division bench of the Delhi High Court comprising the Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma and Justice Subramaniam Prasad dismissed the public interest litigation that challenged the decision of the Reserve Bank of India to withdraw Rs 2,000 notes from circulation. The present petition was filed by Advocate Rajneesh Bhaskar Gupta, who argued that the withdrawal of the banknote only after it being 4 or 5 years in circulation was unjust, arbitrary and against the public policy. The petitioner also claimed that RBI has no power to withdraw currency from circulation and the same could have only be done by the centre. The High Court had on May 30th reserved its judgment in the matter. Earlier, a similar petition filed by Advocate Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay challenging the exchange of currency without requiring an ID proof was also dismissed by the High Court. The Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi has fixed July 7th as the date for considering the charge sheet filed against Wrestling Federation of India chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh in a sexual harassment case. The charge sheet against Singh was filed on June 15th by the Delhi police on alleged sexual harassment by some women wrestlers including a minor. The POCSO case against Singh ended up with submission of a cancellation report by the Delhi police. The charge sheet was then filed under sections 354, 354D, 354A and 506 of the Indian Penal Code that deal with outraging the modesty of women, stalking, sexual harassment and criminal intimidation respectively. The Delhi High Court today rejected a public interest litigation that sought the issuance of directions to the police to ask the complainants about their willingness to undergo scientific tests like polygraph, narco-analysis and brain mapping during an investigation to prove that allegations made by them are genuine or not. The plea filed by Advocate Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay was heard and rejected by a bench of the Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma and Subramaniam Prasad. The judgment on the petition was reserved on May 15th and pronounced today. The petitioner claimed that these scientific tests could have a deterrent effect in reducing fake cases and will also save public money and resources spent on investigation. It was also stated that thousands of citizens could be saved from the mental, physical and financial trauma and stress due to fake cases. Senior advocate and the former Vice President of the Supreme Court Bar Association, Mr. Pradeep Rai, has sent legal notice to several media houses, including India Today, Aaj Tak and ABP News, for publishing false, imaginary and malicious news articles against him. Mr. Rai warned the media houses to take course of legal proceedings, both civil and criminal, against them, while demanding an unconditional apology and Rs 20 crores in damages. The media houses published reports defaming the senior advocate by calling him the nephew of a con man and that he has been summoned by the Uttar Pradesh Task Force for questioning. Mr. Rai in his legal notice called the claims defamatory and causing irreparable harm to his reputation. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.